What's up, guys? braaaap back at you with another video. This is a quick look at my little spot from RCs and where I watch a little TV. So basically, took both cars apart, had a deep cleanup for them, so they are nice and clean. New gasket on the muffler, so hopefully that doesn't leak anymore. All nice and clean. But check this one out. IPRs installed. Look at the tail. I love the tail where it looks more now. It's more lower. Check it out. Before it was pretty high, so I had a good feeling that was gonna break. But now look at that. We'll try and give these cars a run on the weekend. See if it holds up. There's two cars right here. Let's take a quick look inside. It's one of those clothes hangers or curtain hangers I mount that I use to mount my bodies. Just like that. Alright, close up look after the IRPs. All nice and clean. Took it out, clean everything. Good thing I changed out my diff cups. My diff cups to the fast lane. These diff cup right here, and I found out my gears, those pins for the gears, those snap in half on both of them, so I had to rebuild them. So I have no idea. I think it's from the impact. It has to be from the impact. But on that, it's back to normal. Back to normal. Check out those tires, huh? So, what I'm gonna do to my transmitter, I'll probably change this out to so it could extend down. Bigger wheel. I've been wanting to do that, but didn't have time. So now I'm gonna try to do that. It's gonna look a lot better. Okay, guys, stay tuned. Okay, guys, 7PX does come with tools, but you're gonna need Phillip. I'm gonna use this instead. So basically, you gotta take this out, 2 screws on the side. Just comes out. This is not supposed to come out, so I gotta put that back. Oops, why is it on? Let's turn that off. Okay, you can just unplug it. Don't pull too hard. Just pull a little bit, it should come out. Okay. Now, gotta take out these 4 Phillips screws right here. You're not gonna be using these. There you go. Okay, after you take this off, I'm at the drop down. Just straight. Something like that. There you go. This should be on the bottom. And now that should give you some long screws. Where these lines at right here, this is where you put your screws in. Okay. Now, let's see how we want this to go. That or that. This is like up and down like that straight. Just like that. Now you have the smaller screws that they give you. Okay, that screw. Okay, should be good. Now let's put in that half moon cover. Just keep all the debris out. Pop right in like that. Okay, now let's just plug it in. That goes in there. That goes with that. Okay, let's put this back in. Make sure your wire don't get stuck on the edge and it'll kink it. Just like that. Good. Let me get something, poke that in. There you go. Let's give it another feel. Oh man, I like that more. Okay, now let's put in the 2 screws on the side and we should be done with the install. Besides changing out the wheel to the bigger one. Okay, not too tight, guys. I'm gonna strip it. It's plastic. and it's kind of pricey, so take your time. Okay, good tighten up spot. Okay, that should be done. Change out the wheel, it's the big one. I don't know, you gotta change out this plastic piece right here either, but let's find out. Is this the same size? Yeah, it's basically the same size. Yeah, it's the same size, just a spare piece, I guess. That's it. Screw it back on. Okay guys, that's how you install it. You drop down, let's turn on. It's working. You can see it. Alright. Okay, my kill switch works. Steering work. Mission accomplished. Thanks for watching, guys.